Alright, real quick before I start this video, if you guys could go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I've been getting a lot of views, but my subscriber count is not going up very fast. So that's pretty much the best way you can support this channel is just subscribing. It's free, so why not do it? Don't be a hater. Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be installing lowering blocks, the 2-inch lowering blocks on the rear of a 2002 Xtreme Blazer. I get it, this bandana looks stupid, but sweat keeps dripping in my eyes and I'm getting pissed. Anyways, let's get started. First you want to jack up your car, or jack up the Blazer or S10, pretty much the same thing. And make sure you jack it up by the frame because you're going to be moving the axle. Let's get started. I'm going to spray some PB Blaster on the U-bolt nuts. Hopefully I'll break it loose. I don't think I should have much trouble. These bolts don't look too bad. Alright, so I have the Blazer up. I sprayed the bolts with PB Blaster. I set the parking brake, I think just out of habit, and I blocked off the wheel, the front tires, with a couple bricks. Anyways, let's get started. Alright, so just show you the lowering kit. This is actually the lowering kit I bought. U-bolts, the hardware, and then the lowering blocks themselves. Something I always do, and some people might laugh at this, but I always oil my tools before I use them. I don't really have a lot of issues with tools crapping out on me, and I think it's really because I oil them like the manufacturer says to do every day or every time you use them. So I'm going to do one side and then the other side. I put a little pressure on the axle, just make sure the wheel doesn't try to, or the axle doesn't try to roll forward, since I am loosening the suspension. Also, I don't want anything to fucking fall on me. I know I look incredibly strong, but it would still suck. That's pretty much it. U-bolts are out. Bolts are out. I'm gonna get the new one. I left everything in the sun, so it's super hot. But as you can see, these are tapered. The smaller end goes in the front. There's little guides where there's nipples that these set into. This nipple actually goes into a hole, which I'll show you right now. Should be in the front. I hope. If not, we'll find out right now. Hopefully that's enough. So you're literally just going to slide these in. There's enough room to slide in, but not your half nipples. A couple more pumps. I think we should be good. I'm going to let this down very slowly so you can make sure those holes line up. There she goes. First one's installed. I just gotta put the U-bolts back. They come with longer U-bolts. And these are long as fuck. So I will never take these off. Because I'm sure they're gonna end up getting damaged by rocks and everything else. Okay, so I didn't like how long those U-bolts were, so I ended up cutting them about 2 inches. And now I'm ready to install them.
I spent more time cutting those U-bolts than I did. I'm going to installing these things.
Oh, by the way, you put the U-bolts, put a washer, and then the nut. Then at the end, we're going to torque it to 100 foot-pounds. Okay, so I have half of it installed. Once you do that half, just do the other side the exact same way. And when I get done, I'll show you them both inside, or both of them installed. All right, just finished this up. I'm about to show you what it looks like underneath. It's not really hard. It's actually really simple, but just hitting that torque at 100 foot-pounds while you're laying on your back isn't the easiest thing to do, but it's very possible. I'm not a big guy, so like I said, it's very possible. I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you what this looks like finished. Those are actually the lowering blocks. Those aluminum blocks. These things right there. Those are aluminum blocks. Finished on both sides. Remember, tapered into the front. It's actually really simple. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free. I get a bunch of views. My subscriber count's not going up very fast. Support the channel. Don't be a hater.